The full wave bridge rectifier. This is a full wave bridge rectifier. It is used to power our electronics circuits. So we are going to learn in detail how they work in this video. What is a full bridge rectifier? Full bridge rectifier looks like this. There are many shapes and sizes, but they essentially consist of 4 diodes in a certain arrangement. They are usually aligned in a diamond configuration, but they can also be aligned in other ways also. This is the symbol for a diode. The arrow points in the direction for conventional current. Conventional current means the electron move in a circuit from positive to negative to complete the circuit closed. Full bridge rectifier showing that AC electricity is the input and DC electricity is the output. Full bridge rectifier converts AC alternating current into DC direct current. Why is that important? Because the power outlets in our homes provide AC, but our electronic devices use DC. So we need to convert the AC into DC electricity. For example, a laptop charger takes AC from the power outlet and convert this to DC to power the laptop. If you look at the power adapter for your laptop and electronic devices, the manufacturer labels tells you it's converting AC to DC. In this example, it states it need an input of between 100 to 240 voltage with the symbol for AC electricity, and it will allow 0.8 amps of current. It will then output 12 voltage of DC electricity and 5 amps of current. How it works? The rectifier consists of diodes. A diode is a semiconductor device which allows current to in only one direction. So it only allows current to flow in one direction, and we can use this to control the direction of current in a circuit to form DC electricity. Now I showing. The transformer reduced the 230 voltage AC to 12 voltage AC. Thereafter, I connect the bridge rectifier to the 12 voltage AC current. The rectifier converts into DC current. The multimeter shows 16.36 voltage because I connect the electrolytic capacitor in parallel to the diode bridge. I connect the 12 voltage cooling fan for an example. It's good, just fine. The fan runs very smoothly. No any disturbance in the bridge rectifier. You will be able to connect any type of DC motor with this bridge rectifier. Anyone remember this circuit? In one of my video, I was made this 5 volt regulator. Please check this video, the link given in the description box. I connect the 5 volt regulator with my full bridge rectifier. Now it's reduced the 12 volt DC into 5 volt direct current. It's enough for our miniature projects. This is the method for converting AC alternating current into DC direct current. So okay guys, I hope you learned about the full wave bridge rectifier. If I missed any important concepts, please comment me below. Okay guys, I will try to upload videos continuously. Bye bye, see you in the next time.